So, let's get started. I am starting off with this MAC Strobe Cream. It's in peach. Giving a little highlight to the high points of the face. I mean, you could put this all over your face if you want also. I don't know why I didn't. I think it's discontinued, so I'm sorry to show you products that don't exist anymore. That is so annoying, I know. But I have it, I like it, so I'm going to use it. You can have like whatever you have at hand, you know. I'm going to mix it with this CC Peach one from YSL Stila. Just the tiniest little... I love mixing when it comes to foundation. Just mixing is the way to go. Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. Love this stuff. Hold on. No. This is the wrong one. This is just a tinted moisturizer. I was looking for the Radiance Bronze, but it's okay. I said I love mixing, so I'm about it, right? Radiance Bronze. This is what gives you a little bit of a color tint. I'm just mixing it in my hands. I haven't wet my beauty blender, so I'm just gonna try and use my hands today. I don't mind using my hands. They're a good tool. Don't underestimate your fingers. If you don't want to buy a beauty blender, this is a good way to go. This is minimal coverage, if coverage at all. And I want to press it in. Take your time doing this. So we're gonna warm up the face just a tiny bit. And I'm gonna try and use just cream products today, because, you know, they look more like skin and powders. Let's see how I do with that. I'm gonna go ahead and cover up these dark circles with my Bobbi Brown Peach Concealer. Covers blue. I might grab a brush later and do this one more time. Right now I'm just giving you a little more of a pleasant view in the monitor, so you don't have to look at my dark circles. What do I want to do now? Grabbing my KKW contour stick. And right now would be a good idea to do some spot concealing if you need. I am using this age-old Joe Blasco. Take some concealer on a Sigma Precision Flat Angled brush, and in those spots that you might get red. Honestly, this is just making me redder. I had a feeling that would happen, so I'm gonna stop. Yeah, let's just go to blush and see what happens. I have a cream blush. I have no idea what it's called. It's all faded away. Sorry about that. That redness to look like it's coming through our skin. I don't know if it shows up on camera as much as I'd want it to. But I mean, blush, you can, I feel like, well, yeah, you can go overboard with blush. And I want a little bit of my nose and on my forehead, just because, you know, my chin. I want to look like I've been in the sun. I don't know, did I become Rudolph? Can't tell. I guess I'll see it when I'm editing. So right now I am gonna use the KKW contour stick for eyeshadow and use my finger. I am so sensitive. I don't know what that is. Something is not agreeing with my skin right now. And yeah, I'm just blending the cream shadow upward to create that natural shadow. Add a little bit more if you feel like it. Just keep building till you're happy with your result. And then we want to make a little light up here using the highlighter side for the brow bone very slightly. I'm going to show you guys. I'm almost hoping this is going to show right now. I haven't plucked my eyebrows apart. I usually get like this swollen red bump when I do this. Let's see if it shows up this time. It's a dewy look. It's fine. That's what I'm going for. I guess we'll move on to lips. I don't know what it's called. And then MAC Edge to Edge. I'm going to try and mix these because the Edge to Edge is a little too bright and the Essence one doesn't show, and I feel like they're gonna match my natural lip color the best right now so that it's not like makeup, you know? Now I'm grabbing the lighter liner to smudge over the brightness that we did with the other one. And for my lip color today, I want to be using MAC Modesty. Just slightly black eyeliner, or like residue that I have on my liner brush. Tiniest bit of definition to your eye. It was just so messy and so bad, to be honest. Feels like when I'm talking and I don't really have an aim on what I'm doing, it's not making any sense. Like this is I'm not teaching anybody anything, that's for sure. Just if you want to hang out with me, so we're hanging. And besides, I'm like kind of detoxing right now, or fasting, whatever you want to call it. I don't have the most of energy right now, so okay, what else could I do? Under my eyes. Oh, man, yeah, let's just dot some more of this Becca on here. Sometimes, or most of the time, my go-to look recently has been like what I've done now, and then I've added, I'll just show you. Why don't I just do that now? Okay, I have this Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer that I love. Looks like this. So pretty. And this is the sun-kissed kind of thing. Okay, so you wanna, I know what I have had on this brush, so I'm gonna clean it off just a little bit, and I'm gonna dot just a few times like this. I bring that here, and this I also use as this gives you a sun-kissed vibe for sure, so let's just use it. That's what it's for, right? You know, this brush, even right now, I'm feeling like it's gonna make my skin react. And don't be scared. I'm gonna take some and put... So here I'm putting it under my eyes. Don't be scared. Just do it. Feeling like it brought a little color. And this is perfect if you want to make freckles. This with freckles looks so good. I used to have freckles. I don't have them anymore. I don't know what happened. I do miss them. I love freckles. Even these bristles from the brush, they're creating their own little redness on my face. So what you see right now is not purely just what we just put. I can just tell I look irritated as can be. Now you know. So for people who have sensitive skin like me, and when I say sensitive, I truly mean what I say. Like the bristles from a brush create this kind of irritation. I don't know how it's going to show up on your screen, but in person it is very red and irritated. So for those of you going through that same struggle, I do recommend those days that you don't wear any makeup, because as you could see in this video, my skin looked a little better before I started putting anything on it. Even though we just put minimal amounts of stuff, it's still to the point where my skin reacts to it instead of like the makeup really enhancing it. So if and when you're having one of those days when your skin is just not cooperating with you, my advice that I could give to you is don't touch your face. That's it.
And as for my under eyes, I know I didn't cover them properly here. I did it very lazily. That's what I do when I do this look in general. Sometimes I leave them without anything on them. And that's alright. You can rock it. It's all about confidence anyways.
Thank you guys for watching. My name is Maria Modeen, and I hope you enjoyed this little moment of me not knowing what I'm doing and hanging out. I hope I'll see you guys on the next one.